Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Hey everybody, this is going to be another short video. I'm going to throw the front sway bar on from UMI, and so let's go ahead and get to it.
Alright, so just a little tip. You have to put the sway bar on before you put the frame brace kit on. Okay, so this is how this is supposed to go. On these new bushings right here, there's a little nipple on one end, and that's supposed to center this hole in the sway bar. So you got your bolt, bushing, sleeve, washer, and bushing. This goes inside the control arm. So the UMI instructions say to put your end link connectors on before putting your clamshells on. And the factory repair manual for the El Camino says to go ahead and mount your clamshells loosely so that you can move your sway bar around and then put your end links on. But I don't think that method is going to work for the UMI sway bar. So the UMI instructions say to go ahead and put the end links in like so on both sides, and then it says to raise up the bar and mount the clamshells up underneath where they go. But I'm having some difficulties doing that. Pull the bar up. And I can't get around that idler arm. Maybe I can loosen up that idler arm, get it mounted up, and then try to get the idler arm back on there. Alright, I got an idea. I don't know how well it's going to work, but it involves this ratchet strap, that sway bar, and that tow hook. See if I can ratchet this in here and put enough tension, pull this sway bar this way so that I can get that bolt in under there. pull the truck off the jack stands. That wouldn't be good. I think that's tight enough there. I got the clamshells in there, and they're tightened up, they're cinched up. The end links you're not supposed to tighten until you get the truck on the ground and get the weight on it, the suspension on it. So I'll do that when I drop it on the ground, but this is the 1.25 inch. Inch and a quarter, part number 3035. For anybody getting this part thinking that it's going to be a simple bolt right in, you might be in for a surprise. Just FYI, you can see that's how I got enough tension on that sway bar to line up the holes where I needed them to be. You might say, well, why don't you just put the clamshells on first? I tried that route. Then you have an issue getting the end links in, and the UMI instructions do say to go ahead and put the end links in first and then mount the clamshells. So whatever, I got it to work. The instructions also say some parts may be close. It looks like once I cinched it up, I'm no longer hitting the idler arm. I got some good clearance in there now. So, got clearance. Let me get back to buttoning it up. I'm going to go ahead and put the bolts back in the idler arm and finish it up and take this strap off the truck. Alright, that's it for the front end. That's all I have right now. Looks pretty good, I think. There's the old sway bar. But again, thank you so much for watching the channel. If you like what you've been seeing, please subscribe. You don't have to hit the like button on the videos, but please hit that subscribe button. This is Cars and Josh out.